Bumblebeers, and welcome to a new vlog series. A fun time vlog adventure. Strap in, here we go.
In this video, we continue our adventure around Lotus Lake in Kaohsiung, South Taiwan. In the previous two videos, we visited the Confucius Temple and the Temple for the God of Martial Arts. Our next stop is at the Spring and Autumn Pavilions. I like how the roots from that tree are down below.
Yeah.
That's neat.
I like how colorful it is.
Like this flower? That's where we are now, and then we're gonna go here. Well, this looks really cool. You ready to adventure and see what's inside?
Yeah.
After we enter the dragon?
Yeah, let's enter the dragon.
Let's enter the dragon. I think we should go this way though, because...
Don't think.
Okay.
Feel.
Don't think. Feel.
Okay. I'm sorry. I'm feeling.
Does enter the dragon.
There's just so much ridiculous color and cartoonishness going on right here. Yeah, man.
I give this pagoda 10 out of 10 temple shrine pagoda points.
Didn't we say there was only 9 out of 9 bum points for bumbling tourists?
9 out of 9 bumbling bums.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bums. The other temple. That's where the bumbling tourist logo goes. Turtle party, turtle party, turtle party. They'll be back, and in greater number.
The Sand people are easily startled, but they'll soon be back, and in greater numbers.
Greater number than that. Are you ready to enter the dragon?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's enter the dragon.
Ladies first.
And try not to trip and fall.
Yeah.
That's also where the bumbling tourist logo goes. Maybe the bumbling tourist logo goes everywhere. Why so blue? Exit the dragon. Because even dragons boo.
Oh, hey there, audience.
So can you tell the camera what we're gonna do after this?
Yeah, after the go-to time. Beer time. It's beer o'clock.
Hopefully on a plastic stool.
Plastic stool to the side of the road.
Yeah.
Beer it up.
Yeah.
Proper bubbly tourist beer style.
From here to beer.
Yeah. Are we doing that first though?
I don't know. I think beer might come first.
And then save that for after?
Yeah.
Okay. Come with us. Come with us.
My hair's all purple and in my face.
Be our guest. Welcome, welcome. I think an accent. Let's drag you.
We did a lot of hard work today looking at temples. We still have one temple left at least. So we gotta celebrate with a Taiwan beer.